How we doing?
Good.
Good. What's going on?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I just like
Nothing. She calls you, but there's nothing going
I
on.
didn't call them.
I said they called you, but there's
Just
nothing
making
going on.
people uncomfortable and myself. That's all. It's been like an hour at least.
No, it hasn't. But you know what statute that is? Uncomfortability.
Okay, you're just recording to record?
That's it.
You're recording just people coming in to record them?
I'm recording anything I can see in a public standpoint.
Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you left your stamp over here that you gave.
Oh, I might have. Actually, thank you. Appreciate it. Is there an issue?
How's your day going?
Can I get your name, badge number?
Yeah, it's Officer Wiswell. I don't have a badge number.
You don't have a badge number?
No, we don't.
Even I have a badge number.
What do you have?
869.
What is that?
It's my badge number.
For where?
Yeah, I don't know if you could see.
I don't have my glasses on.
I don't know. It says, shiny badges don't grant extra rights.
I don't get that.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
Okay.
Name, badge number?
I don't appreciate the derogatory mark.
Name and badge number, ma'am, please.
Sorry guys, I didn't.
It's Officer Stout. She doesn't have a badge.
She could identify herself.
Excuse me.
I think she could speak for. I think I'd like. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the. Okay.
Officer
Stout.
Yep.
Badge number. ID number.
I don't.
Serial number. Nothing. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay. So,
I don't need to be told what to do,
No,
what
I'm
not to do. I think you need to tell them what I can and cannot do.
okay.
I think that's more important.
All right, I get that. I understand that. Okay. But your overall general purpose is here just to film people, right? Correct. Just,
People?
you educate me as to why you're here.
I'm just recording anything I can see in public
Why?
because I can, and I think you know that.
Okay, I get
And if you don't, you're ignorant
No, I get that, but
So
why
that's
the
all-
post office?
because it's federal.
Okay.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Because today's video is a straight up example of what is wrong with modern policing. We got officers showing up not to enforce the law, but to enforce feelings. And that's where everything goes off the rails. A civilian is peacefully recording inside a federal post office in a public area, doing absolutely nothing illegal. Yet staff claim people are uncomfortable. And like clockwork, the police role in acting like discomfort is a crime. Spoiler alert, it's not. The auditor stays calm, stays respectful, and immediately starts testing the officer's knowledge. And right away, we see the problem. The officer doesn't even understand basic rights, federal property rules, or what's actually illegal. This is about to get ugly.
I get that.
And it's public.
Huh? It is.
And they can't trespass me, no matter how uncomfortable they get.
What's your end goal?
You to leave.
Hmm?
You to leave at this point.
That's your end goal for the day.
As of right now, yeah.
Okay. You gonna be here all day?
I could be here until closing if I'd like.
Okay.
Are you going to trespass me?
Not yet.
Is there a crime that I've committed?
Not yet.
I think you should leave.
Oh,
And I think you should educate the staff here and go about your day.
I get that.
Okay.
All right, I do get that. But let me just ask you this.
Yep.
Okay.
I may or may not ask. Answer the question.
Well, you don't have to.
I know I don't. I know my rights. Because I have rights that I don't have to answer questions to you.
Yeah, but you can go exercise your rights walking down the street, video recording people.
No different here.
Okay, but you chose to be here
I did.
for a reason.
For my reasons. Yeah.
Which are
I'm not going to explain that to you.
because you have no reason.
Because I don't have to explain anything to you.
Why?
I'm done answering your questions.
Okay, I'm just asking questions.
And I'm not going to answer anymore.
Okay.
Unless I'm being suspected of a crime or under arrest, I'm not going to answer
If
any
they
questions.
tell you to leave,
No, that's not how that works.
listen to me.
No, I'm not going to listen to you. You're dismissed.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
In a public or private place, if
gonna
you are
walk away.
asked to leave and you do not,
That's not true.
it's called trespass.
No, it's not. As long as I haven't committed a crime, that's not true.
If they ask you to leave,
They have to have a legal purpose.
no, they don't.
They do.
They may not like your shoes.
That's discrimination. You should probably look at the Postal 7 rules and regulations. I suggest you do that.
Okay.
Go do
Well,
that.
Main Title 17
Okay, no.
says if they ask you to leave and you don't leave,
We're on federal property, buddy. Okay, we go by federal statute, not city and state. Yeah, come here. Let me educate you, buddy. Yeah, come here.
go ahead and read it to me.
Oh, no, you could read.
No, go ahead.
No, you can read. I'm not going to read it to you. This is for you. Right there. Photographs for news, advertising, commercial purposes. Let's not escalate this.
To commercial purposes?
It says photographs for news and or commercial purposes.
In which are you?
I am registered media.
Okay. Do you have your credentials?
We have a First Amendment right to freedom of the press.
Okay.
Stop.
Now, listen closely, because this is where the officer starts digging the hole deeper. He asks the auditor why he's filming, what his end goal is, and tries to push him out without any lawful reason. The auditor stays sharp and reminds him he doesn't have to explain anything. That's the First Amendment. Then the officer tries to claim, if they ask you to leave, you have to leave. Wrong. On federal property, you don't get to trespass someone just because they made staff uncomfortable. That's not how the law works. The auditor even calls him out and tells him to read the posted regulations, specifically referencing Poster 7 and federal rules about recording in lobbies and public spaces. And the officer? He gets irritated, defensive, and starts escalating because facts don't support his ego.
Dude, stop escalating this. Don't escalate this any more than we need to.
I'm not escalating it.
Go look at the rules and regulations and then leave.
I get it.
That's it.
But I'm just telling you.
I don't need you to tell me anything. I haven't said a goddamn word to anybody in here.
Fine.
They
I haven't said you have.
They feel uncomfortable, okay? That is not against the law.
True.
Okay?
Very true.
That's it. I'm not obstructing the doorway, not being disorderly.
No.
I'm not going into any restricted areas. Okay? I'm not even talking to the staff unless I have business, which I have already conducted.
And
I may or may have more business to conduct.
Okay.
But that's on my accordance, not yours or theirs.
Okay.
Right now, I'm exercising a First Amendment right to freedom of the press in a public federal building where you have no jurisdiction.
Okay.
So if you have any problems, I suggest you call FPS.
Well, I want to see the media that you propagate so I can read it.
No. I don't have to disclose that to you.
Okay.
I am a free citizen under the First Amendment right to freedom of the press. We don't need credentials.
Okay.
Does that satisfy you?
No, it's fine.
Your ego? Does that satisfy your ego?
I don't have an ego.
It sounds like you do, because you are under the impression, okay, that just because they feel uncomfortable, they could ask me to leave. You're right. Anybody could ask anybody to leave any area, okay? But this isn't a private business. This isn't a private entity. This is a federal building, which is public, open to the public.
Yep.
Okay? They have poster 7s. They have DHS memos stating that I could be here to record on federal property in lobbies, foyers, and corridors. If you look at the rules and regulations, you'd have a better understanding of that. But you don't study federal law, as far as I'm concerned. You were citing city and state statutes.
Correct.
That doesn't apply on federal property.
Okay.
Cut it out, dude.
All right. So,
Come on. So I'm going to go back to do what I was doing. I know what time they leave. I'm going to stand there and do what I was doing. Not going to interfere. If I need business, I'll ask them. If they call you again, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, if they call again,
then you.
And this is the part where things get intense. The auditor explains, clearly and calmly, that he's not obstructing, not disorderly, not in restricted areas, and not harassing anyone. He already handled his business and is simply exercising a protected right. He even tells the officers something critical. If you have a problem, call Federal Protective Service, because local cops don't have the authority to invent rules on federal property. The officer keeps demanding credentials and trying to label him as commercial media, as if you need government permission to be press. You don't. The First Amendment doesn't require a badge, a press card, or a license. And as the auditor speaks, you can hear the officer try to shut him down with "stop escalating." But the truth is, the auditor isn't escalating. The officer is.
You can come and you could assess the situation, but as far as I'm concerned, I could be here as long as they're uncomfortable. It doesn't matter to me.
Don't harass people.
Well, like they just called the police on me.
I have no idea who called, honestly.
I do.
I don't. Just don't harass anyone.
Okay. Well, they're harassing me. Do you have a call for service number on this?
Yep. I'll have to get it.
Can you please?
Yep.
I'll walk you out. I'll follow you. Oh, well, it's tough.
It's not tough.
It is tough.
This is your warning for disorderly conduct.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Who's it complaining? You?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
That's not even legal.
Sure is, but
Yeah?
look it up.
Yeah, oh, really? Really? Why? I can't.
Don't walk behind me.
Do something.
Don't walk behind me.
Do something. You got a body cam on?
Yes, I do.
Good. When were you going to tell me that?
I don't have to.
You don't, huh? It's on your policy?
No.
It isn't?
No.
Wait till the complaints and phone calls come in on you, buddy.
Go ahead.
They will.
I don't have to.
Okay.
It's a one-party state. If you knew that, you'd know.
I am going to walk right behind you.
Okay.
You know why? Because you don't like
Get
it.
the number.
Hey, go get the number. Do what you told. Prick.
Okay.
Disorderly conduct? Really? For swearing? That's not a First Amendment freedom of speech?
Oh, sorry about that. Go ahead.
Really?
Appreciate it.
You want to arrest me on it? You want to arrest me on it? You want a 1983 lawsuit? Go ahead.
Your civil
Go ahead.
rights? Your civil
Yeah?
rights? Okay.
What, the one you took an oath to?
Which civil right am I violating?
Yeah, I can't tell you to f*** off.
Which civil
I
right?
can't tell you to f*** yourself. I can't tell you that.
But these people don't want to hear it. I'm sure this young lady here doesn't want to hear it.
She may or may not. Look, if she's recording, she's exercising her rights.
But she doesn't want to hear you swear.
I can swear all I want. It's not fighting words.
offends her,
They are not fighting
It
words.
doesn't have to be offensive.
Yes, they do. Offensive to an officer, you can take criticism. That is the law.
I understand.
You can take.
I understand that. You can swear.
Now, buckle up, because this is where the officer completely embarrasses himself. The auditor asks for a call for service number, and suddenly the officer says he'll walk him out. That's when the threats start. The officer throws out a disorderly conduct warning, like it's candy, and claims the auditor can't swear because someone might complain. Seriously? That's not law enforcement. That's emotion enforcement. The auditor pushes back hard, reminding him that profanity is protected speech unless it's fighting words. The officer admits it's not fighting words, but still tries to twist it into a crime. That's the scary part. These cops don't need you to break the law. They just need you to annoy them. The auditor even mentions a 1983 lawsuit, and the officer's attitude shifts instantly. He knows he's on camera, and he knows he's wrong.
All you want.
I can. Well, just not in front of somebody.
Lodges a complaint and says that she doesn't like your offensive words or gestures, and it becomes disorderly.
So is that my warning? In front of a. Okay, I'll take the warning.
Yes.
I'll take the warning.
So if this young man here gets offended, then that's a
Oh, really?
Okay.
I would love it.
All right.
I took the warning.
Have a good day.
Yeah, she's offended. Yo, man, you're walking on thin ice, buddy.
No.
Yeah. So what? There's no statute stating you have to tell somebody that there's you're recording?
No.
No. You scared?
No, I don't want you behind me.
Why?
Because I don't like people
Why?
behind me.
Why?
Why?
You don't like being flanked?
No, I don't.
You know?
No.
Oh, we don't either.
Well, then don't.
Oh.
Okay? Stop.
Stop what?
All right? Just
You want
stop.
to play Ring Around the frickin' Rosie?
No, you're just being irritated.
Let's play a Ring Around the Rosie.
No.
Come on. You want to sing it
You're
with me? You want to hold hands?
You're trying to incite
I am.
something. You're trying to...
You've already done it.
All right.
You've already done it.
Go back inside.
No, I
Get your
will.
number,
I don't
bring
need
it
you to
back
tell
in
me
here.
anything.
Okay.
I'll tell you what to do.
You're okay.
Yeah, that's why you're going to leave in a minute, and I'm staying.
No.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah, we will.
All right.
We will.
Right here. What's your name?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Not my legal name,
No, you're double.
but I don't have to identify myself to you anyway, so. What, they didn't give you enough training for officer safety?
Oh, yeah.
Is this it? Is this your training? See, I like using it against you.
Please tear it off.
Yeah, hurry up. He's uncomfortable. You're a joke.
Okay.
Okay. You got a business card?
Nope.
Got a business card?
And it doesn't stop there. The officer keeps playing petty games, walking behind the auditor, trying to provoke him, trying to control the situation like a bully with a badge. The auditor calls it out perfectly, saying the officer is trying to ignite something. Then the officer starts acting like he's the boss of the entire building, telling him what to do, where to stand, and when to leave, even though he still can't name a single law that was broken. This is what happens when cops are trained to dominate instead of educate. The auditor continues pressing him, demanding accountability, pointing out bad parking, and even mocking the thin blue line mentality. And you can feel it. The officer is not enforcing law. He's protecting his pride. The auditor leaves with the service number, and the officer is left looking ridiculous.
No. Interesting. That's the call for service number? Great. Is that FB as in Frank? In Boston? Frank Bravo. Okay, cool. Yeah. Wow, you parked like a huh? Is that legal tint? Oh, you got the blue liners on.
Ouch. Thank you.
I'm not touching your vehicle.
Yeah, you can't see that.
Oh, but I did. Maybe you should close it and stop obstructing the roadway here. Oh, you guys riding together? Are you his ride along?
What's that?
Are you his ride along? Oh man, look at blue line is. There you go. That explains it. See you later.
Now at the end of this video, here's the brutal truth. These days, it honestly feels like there are no standards to become a police officer. How do we have cops who can't get one basic law right? How do we have officers who show up, manufacture rules, and then play victim when citizens stand up for their rights? This entire encounter proves why recording is more important than ever. Because without cameras, this would have ended differently. The officer would have escalated further, and the auditor could have been arrested for literally nothing. That's why awareness matters. That's why knowing your rights matters. And that's why you guys need to keep supporting this channel. Drop a like, subscribe, leave your thoughts in the comments, and keep the conversation going. Because one thing is clear, if you don't record the police, they will record you.